Hello ladies and gentlemen, that's another quick video about my bike here. I got new Cobra 909 twin slip-ons for it. And I just want to do a quick review about the sound. I'm not seeing too many videos about the Cobra 909s twins because I guess Cobra neighbor haters are the top selling brand everybody likes from Cobra, but these pipes are about $350 to $400 slip-ons, and I do believe they sound good. They have a nice deep sound to them, and there's a significant difference between these pipes and stock pipes. So if you're interested in the Cobra 909 twins as a more price-friendly option, I would go for it. So that being said, here is the sound.